Here at Earthwise Packaging, we take our environment seriously with our complete recycling program. Some companies simply throw away brand new quality controlled products right in the dumpster, but not here. Once we quality control our products and they fail our high standards, they get recycled here on site in Tustin, California. We regrind those products into a granular material, feeding them into our grinders. Then, the freshly ground material is bulk bagged and ready to be fed back into our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Our silos hold up to 10,000 pounds each of material ready to be fed back into our machines. Once at our machines, products are remolded to a precise specification and dropped into CoolJarz boxes. Fresh off the assembly line, they're bagged, boxed, and ready to hit your business. Not only do we offer a 100% USA-made product, the best prices in the country, and outstanding customer service, but we have our Earth in mind. That's Earthwise Packaging.